Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another 12 by 24 acrylic swipe in black, white, and gold. So let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using the Artist Loft Premix Ready to Pour paints in old gold, titanium white, and black. I'm adding 6 drops of silicone oil to each of my colors. I went ahead and poured them into 8-ounce cups here, so I have 24 ounces of paint total. I'm just giving everything a good mix so that oil gets nice and incorporated into my cups here. And then I'm going to lay my colors down on my canvas, and you can see my table's a little bit messy. I had actually done a swipe previously and it didn't turn out, so I had to scrape it, and I was like, well, I'm going to try again, and this one actually turned out really awesome. You can get these paints at Michael's craft store. They're really easy to use. They're great for beginners. You can just shake the bottle and they're ready to go. So I'm just about done laying out my colors here, and what I'm going to do is just squirt some black straight from the bottle, no silicone oil in that, on the right hand side at the top, and then swipe from right to left. See right here, I just added that plain black, and I'm going in with my wax paper. I was trying to go at a slow, even pace, but I ended up losing contact right there on the bottom right. So I'm going to go in and do a few little swipes right there, but you can see the cells are starting to develop. That's my favorite part of this technique. It's fun to watch them kind of just grow and change and kind of morph into something really pretty, in my opinion. So I'm just going to go in right here and swipe these two little sections. And I don't know if I mentioned this already, but the silicone oil I used is also the Artist Loft brand. That's the best silicone oil I've tried so far. Now I'm just going to go in with my torch, make some more of these fun cells pop up, and I will bring you guys in for a close-up. The cells will grow and get bigger as it sits. It ended up changing a lot from now until when it dried, but it still turned out really awesome. And I didn't tilt it or anything like that. I just left it just like this, and it dried really nice. So here's a close-up of the wet finish. I just absolutely love this color combination together. I think I'm going to try with, they have a dark blue, it's called Brilliant Blue. I think I'm going to try that with the old gold and the titanium white. I think that would be really pretty. I kind of want to do like a 30 by 40 canvas, but I'm a little bit nervous because these paints are kind of expensive, and if it doesn't turn out and you have to scrape it, it's kind of like, oh, I don't know, get a little bit nervous, but I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all nice and dry, hanging up on the wall. And here it is. I definitely prefer this one vertically, but I will turn it horizontally to show you guys up close how it turned out. But check out these fun cells. See, they did grow a lot as the painting sat, but I like how there's that negative space up at the top because it kind of gives your eye a place to rest. It's kind of busy, but I really love how it turned out. The cells are really pretty. It's just fun to look at it. It's got so many cool details, and that old gold is really nice and metallic. It has a really nice sparkly sheen to it. It's hard to tell in the video. The camera just doesn't pick it up or do it justice, but if you guys were going to try these colors, I would definitely recommend the titanium white, brilliant blue, old gold, and black. I think you can do a lot with those 4 colors. If you guys want to get some and give it a try, be sure to check the description. I'll link everything down below. And I uploaded a video like this last week, but I swiped from the middle, and on this one I went from top to bottom. So be sure to check that video out. It turned out a lot different, but it still turned out really cool. I will link it at the end card screen of this video, and just click that and it'll take you straight to that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you did, go ahead and leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you on Friday for another video. Bye!